Woke up done, can you carry me? When I'm losing my mind, can you hold me? If I'm hazy, boo, can you help me?
Parang gusto ko nun. Ano sa'yo yun, no? Hana, sinasabi ko sa'yo, eto gagawin natin. Ako, bossing nga eh.
I'ma hold me up, I'll get myself together. Who'd have thought without you I'd be crazy yourself, I'm ready for
Wala pa, mamaya.
sunlight, so bright.
Eugene, Vincent, simula na ang kasalan.
Usually, lagi siyang, how's your day? Tapos ako, baka hanap-hanapin ko to. Lagi mo kinakamusta yung araw ko. Sabi niya, hanap-hanapin mo. Wala naman akong planong tumigil. Mga banat!
Hello, Sir Tal. Actually, sobrang panati ko kami.
If I'm hazy, boo, can you help me? Sunlight, so bright, so bright.
So, may asawa ka na ba? Wala pa. Anong mapapayo mo sa akin ngayong ikakasal ako?
Stay loyal and faithful, sir.
Yun. Thank you, bossing. Welcome to the Philippines, my friend. Pagkala natin, Anito Gin!
Even in the darkest night, I'll stay true. The song is about my promise to him. Kung paanong, sa kahit anong mangyari, siya at siya pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
I don't
Pagi ba?
promise no gift. Kabila.
Ito.
Ito nga gift.
We crossed paths pretty early on, but I didn't really think much of you. God definitely knew what would happen.
Nasimulan ko na siya, matagal na. Pero that was years ago pa. So yung start actually ng vow ko, ayun. Hi, love. I started making this vow long before you proposed.
That is how soon I knew you were the one. And now, we're finally here. I can't believe it's finally here.
You didn't mean this much to me, but now you're my constant in this ever-changing.
Alam ko na magiging mabuti kang asawa, magiging mabuti kang tatay na magiging anak mo. May rewind mo na buhay ko. Siguro, uulit-ulitin ko. Kayo pa rin ang gusto kong makasama. Ibang buhay ko.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Nandito pa rin ako. Paminsan-minsan, uuwi pa rin ako sa condo. And don't worry kasi hindi na lang ako. Nandito din si Hana. Dalawa kami. Okay? So, I'll always be here for you. Kahit anong mangyari. Sabi mo nga, roller coaster ride. Roller coaster of emotions. Pero wala magbabago. Kinasal lang ako. Ganun pa rin tayo.
With a frown in between, 'cause you didn't see me coming.
Hindi naging madali yung journey natin sa 6 long years. Imagine kung gaano kagulo ang mundo. Hindi na natin sigurado kung paano na bukas. Or worse, kung meron pa bang bukas. Pero salamat kasi sa kabila ng gulo at walang kasiguraduhan, patuloy pa rin nating pinipili ang isa't isa.
I vow to always cheer you on, be your number 1 fan, and supporter in anything and everything you'll do. I vow to fall in love with you over and over and over again, every day, for the rest of our lives. And if death do us part, I promise to find you in every lifetime.
Oh, I promise to find you in every lifetime, in every reality, in every galaxy. As the sun rises, I choose you. Even in the
Thank you sa inyo pareho for letting me decide on this wedding and having this wedding our way.
Masaya ako dahil unang-una, nagpakasal ka na. And at the same time, sabi nila iiyak daw ako. Sabi ko hindi. Dahil lalong masaya dahil nadagdagan yung aking anak.
chase every sunrise and watch the world change as our dark nights turn into day. We will stay. When the noise gets too loud, we're each other's escape. Hand in hand, we will look to Him and
Hannah, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Dinky, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Our 6 years together have been the best years of my life. Maybe, just maybe, God knew I needed you. Because when our eyes met, it felt right. Kalmado, hindi pilit, walang pagpapanggap, walang pagtatag. And just like that, today, I said, yes, I do.
Nahanap din kita. Nahanap din kita. Maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa kawalan, dahil sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang
Hannah, mahal kita sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Mahal kita sa kabila ng lahat. Na kahit ako may kulat sa kung gaano kita